Do you want to be able to fix can't send friend request on Facebook? Well, then you have come to the perfect video because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So it is very important that you watch this video and follow this step, like step for it to work basically. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our Facebook app. And then, of course, you also need to log into your Facebook account. And now, when you have done so, then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And the first step in here is going to be for us to click on the three lines. For me, the three lines is in the bottom right corner, but for some of you, it will be in the top right corner instead, just so you know. But just click on the three lines because then you should be taken here, as you can see. What we're going to do in here is to just simply scroll down until you can see where it says help and support. We need to click on help and support, then click on report a problem, and perfect, because now you should see these options in here, as you can see. And you need to click where it says report a problem, just so you know, and then click on the first one in here, include in report. Now, as you can see, we should be taken here, which is perfect. What I'm going to do now is to just scroll down in here and until I can see where it says profile. So click on profile because then you should be taken here. The reason why you need to come to this page right here is because in here we're able to contact the Facebook customer service that specialize in profile basically, and they are the ones that can help us to fix this issue. So now you need to write exactly like this to them to make it work. So I'm going to write exactly like this now. I am having the problem with not being able to send friend requests on my Facebook account. So write exactly like this now to Facebook. I am having the problem with not being able to send friend request on my Facebook account. And when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. Very important that you do send this as well, of course. And now wait about 24 hours for the Facebook support to be able to see this. And by the way, if you're like seeing this on a Saturday or Sunday, then you will need to wait until Monday or Tuesday basically for it to work, just so you know, because I've seen that when you do send this kind of reports on the weekends, then they usually don't get any response like on weekends basically. So you need to wait until it's like business days basically. So yeah, this is like hopefully this will solve this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And I wish you the best day.